Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining in. If you're new to the channel, my name is Mandy. Thank you for clicking this video. I do hope you enjoy your stay on this channel. So this is the piece that I thrifted. I've been looking for this for quite some time, so I'm going to send it and paint it. I got the set from Does. You guys can see in the paint. I am a firm believer of the Fired Earth paint. I wanted deep green, you guys. I am in love with cozy colors lately, but I got this one instead. At first I didn't like it, not that I didn't like it, but it was matching the working station, you know, the cabinet in our, like between the living room and the dining room. It matches that cabinet, but it is a bit deeper and darker than that cabinet. So I do have a sanding machine. It's just that it was very hard to find the shape of it. It is like a triangle sander, so I can't find some of these sanding things. What are these called, guys? I forgot. So I want to also DIY this lady box. It's been a project that I've been meaning to do for quite some time, and for it I don't like how it turned out, but please do stick around to see how everything turned out, you guys, and maybe you can also get motivated to do your own space. What I love about that paint is that it is a 3-in-1, sorry. It's a 3-in-1 paint, so you don't need a lot of other things that I needed when it comes to painting a wood item. It is 400 rand. It's quite costly for a 1-liter paint, but you guys, even one coat, after sanding properly, even one coat, if you want to check the process, or if maybe you're painting a big space, even one coat can show that you have done something. But it's always advisable to go with the second coat to get proper result. With my other TV stand, the old TV stand, the one that is behind the dinner table, there are some touches that I need to do. I just need to get a new brush. I don't want to use the old ones. I don't have a new small brush so that I can touch some of the corners. I hope you guys do enjoy this video. If you do, please like the video. And I must say, I was checking, I don't know how I got there, you guys, but I just landed in that part of my analysis, and I saw that 184 of you shared my videos. Guys, I do appreciate you. I do appreciate you. Whatever it is, whatever contribution you are making to the channel, may it be liking, commenting, watching the advert, sharing the video. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
speak your truth aloud. The Lord is my shepherd, your peace quiets every sound. You go before me always, your goodness never ends. You are my refuge, my Father and my friend. Your word lifts me, your promise makes me strong. Even in the valley, I know I'm not alone. Your word lifts me, it keeps me holding on. Fear not, I am with you. Your love is where I belong. When storms rise around me, I stand on what you say. My help comes from the Lord. You guide me every day. You renew my spirit. You carry all my cares. In every trial I whisper, I know you're always there. Your word is my strength. Your love never.
Guys, good morning. I am done with this part of the drawer. I don't know if baby girl is waking up. At least I can see her from here. And there's a lot of noise. It's still like very early in the morning. People are going for work and school. I hope you guys can hear me though. I don't want to be loud, but she's muted on her side, so I doubt she can hear me anyway. I painted this after making lunch in the morning because as soon as she's wake up, I should be done with whatever it is that I'm doing right now. I have painted this side, as I was saying, like you guys might have seen. This paint is almost similar to this, but also I did one drawer of which I'm very happy about, but to save on paint I just have to cover this part, and then on the side I'm not going to do it. You guys, it's only 1 liter. I think she's up. Let's see. I should just use it immediately, and by the look of things it doesn't look like I'll finish. Still early for her to wake up now because it's 6:30. At least she should wake up at 8. Let's see. I'll only use this. We are preparing for work. Tomorrow is Saturday. Obviously, I am working, so we are busy sewing the baskets and attaching the leather straps, and also like cleaning them, pricing them. It makes things much easier when we go to the markets, so that I don't have to like start from scratch. I just clean my window house on the day and then like pack the stock and start working. It's easier this way. And this time around I had to go with the girls, but it happened. We are done. It's over and done with. As I'm recording this voice over, it is a Sunday morning and I am just grateful. I'm making breakfast for my family. Guys, we have an issue. Baby's Nalo has started crawling So that other shelf that was meant to be on this mini entryway thingy, now it is not as steady, and baby girl is busy, so we tried to make this work and put this one, remove it from the dining area and put it this side, but it doesn't work, you guys. It just doesn't work. I've tried like many times to make it work, but I couldn't. And then I'm still busy with the sanding of it, and then while it's drying, I went and picked up flowers. It is spring, so we got some fresh flowers. Hopefully tomorrow I'll be able to pick up a few also before they get damaged by the rain, because it seems like it's going to rain in these days. It is later on the day, so I'm just completing this, and my people were teasing me and saying why I am setting up the table when they're done like eating. I'm telling them that I'm working, guys. I am creating content, so I have to work. And also the light is not aligning with the dinner table, so it's not an issue for now, because as mentioned, we are working. There are a lot of baskets everywhere, you guys. I did try to make this work, hard as it was, but I hope you do see my vision and you are also inspired to get just a little corner at your own home, to just give it an update. It's a very low cost. I'm not happy about that box, you guys, but it looks way better than it was before. The aim is to use at least maybe fabric to cover it, but for now I'll leave it like this for quite some time and try to get something as time goes by. But I'm really happy. I love this Pep Home table runner. It's so pretty, you guys, and obviously you're going to see baskets on this channel because I do have a business of baskets. I try to leave my Instagram handle as much as I possibly all the time on my description box. As for the telephone number, it is not always easy to do so because sometimes YouTube used to delete it. I'm not sure for now, but at first that's what they used to do. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate you all. I hope you enjoyed this video and this mini dining area entryway update.
But I am with you. Your love is where I belong. When storms rise around me, I stand on what you say. My help comes from the Lord. You guide me every day.